explain the chapter pronouns. Okay, and in this chapter we will know about the definition of pronoun and what is the mean of pronoun and kind of pronoun. Okay, how many parts of the pronoun, etc. are the many things. Clear? So let's start the video and know what is the pronoun. Clear? In the previous video I will explain about the nouns, okay, and what is the pronoun and how can we show the relation between noun and pronoun. Okay, so all these things are clear by this video. So let's start. First is the question, what is the pronoun? Clear? What is the pronoun? So you can see you can see here the definition of the pronoun. So what is the pronoun or definition of the pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Okay, you can simply say that pronoun is a word that used in place of noun. It is only a word. Clear? It is a word that used in place of noun. Clear? So you can see here is the example. Rohan is a very hard working boy. Okay, Rohan is the noun word. Clear? Is a very hard working boy. You can see boy word is also noun word. So when we proceed this sentence and statement, then you can see also right in the next, Rohan is good at studies. Rohan is good at studies. Rohan's brother admire Rohan. Here in place of him you can write down here Rohan, and in place of his you can write down Rohan. In place of he you can use Rohan. Okay, so here is the noun word Rohan, and this Rohan is you can find in the next sentence. Rohan is good at studies and Rohan's brother admire Rohan. Okay, so you can see here the Rohan word used many times in these sentences, and this is the confusing word. How many member of here? So when you use the pronoun word in place of noun, then this all the confusion became clear by using the pronoun. Clear? So if you use the pronoun in place of the noun in the paragraph or passage or the more than 2 or 3 sentences, in place of the main subject you can use the pronoun word like Rohan is a very hard working boy. He is. In place of Rohan you can use he is good at studies. Okay, so this he word refer to Rohan. Okay, refer to Rohan, and it is the clear why, because this pronoun word used in place of noun. Okay, and studies his brothers, and you can see here the also a pronoun word, and this pronoun word refer to the Rohans. Okay, it is the possessive noun and it's refer to the Rohan. In place of Rohan you can use the his word, and this word also clarified of the Rohan are noun words, and brothers admire him. He means also a pronoun word, and you can see here is the this word also refer the pronoun word as a Rohan. Clear? So simply we can say that pronoun is a word, okay, is a word that used in place of noun. Okay, place of noun. So you can see here is the noun Rohan. In place of noun you can use he. Here is the him, and in place of him you can see Rohan word. In place of Rohan, you will use the another word, a new word like him, and these type of the word refer to the pronoun. Okay, it is only a word that used in place of noun. Clear? And we use different kind of the pronoun in a sentence according to their sense and their structure. So we can divide the pronoun word in a many parts. So you can see here personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, indefinite pronouns, and relative pronouns. All these menu you can see at the board. All these menu is a pronoun, and how can we use pronoun in a sentence, I will explain in the video. Okay, so let's start the first part of the pronoun. Okay, you know very well about the pronoun. Pronoun is a word that used in place of noun. It is only pronoun word. Okay, and it used in place wherever the noun word used in a sentence. We can also use pronoun word in place of noun. Okay, and this pronoun word is not change the sense of the noun. This pronoun word never change the sense of the pronoun. If the Rohan is here, then you use he. So this he word also express the sense of Rohan, not to other person. Clear? So first we talking about the personal pronoun. Clear? Personal pronoun. Clear? First we know about the definition of the personal pronoun. Okay, pronouns that takes the place of a people and things are called personal pronoun. It means when a pronoun word take a place of person, place or things in place of noun, then we can say that word will be personal pronoun. Clear? So I have take many of the example like Rohan is a person, and in place of Rohan you can see here the used he word, and this he word refer to the person, and so we can say this person, this pronoun will be personal pronoun. Clear? And in place of Rohan you can see use his and him, and all he, his, him, all these words are the personal pronoun. Okay, so according to the definition we can say that if the word used for the person or things, okay, person or things, so that word will be personal pronoun, and we can divide the personal pronoun into the three parts. Personal pronoun divided into the three parts. What parts? First person, second person, and third person. Okay, first person, second person, and third person. Clear? What is the first person, second person, and third person? It we can say this by the graph. Okay, so you can see here, I hope you can see. So you can see here the personal pronoun divided into three parts: first person, second person, and third person. Okay, first person always will be speaker. Then we can use in a first person like I and we. First person is I and we. Okay, it is the first person subjective pronoun, and here is the second person you, and then third person is he, she, it and they. Okay, it is the third person. We divide the personal pronoun into three parts: first person, second person and third person. Okay, in the first person you can see here is the I and we, and in the second person you can see you, and in the third person subjective pronoun is he, she, it and they. Okay, and this is the all these words you can see here, all these words will be personal pronoun. Why? Because these words used for the person and things. Yes, and you can use its possessive like in I will be mine, we will be our, you will be your, he will be his, she will be her, it, its and they are. Clear? And its object will be I will be me, we, us. Okay, and you will be you, he, she, her, it and they will be they. Okay, so it is the personal pronoun, and in the personal pronoun you can see the personal pronoun divide into the three parts: first person, second person and third person. You can see in the first person two words used, I and we, and both are the subjective part of the pronoun, and we can use this pronoun as a subject in a sentence or paragraph. If the sentence has a subject of the noun, then we can use I and we. If the singular number subject, then we use I, and if the subject is a plural number, then we can use we. Okay, like in place of Rohan you can use I, and in place of Rohan and Riya you will use the we. Okay, and its possessive will be my. Okay, my and our. Okay, it is the possessive of the I and we, and its objective will be me. I objective will be me, and we objective will be us. Clear? And next is you. You is the second person. Okay, it is the speaker and it is the listener. Okay, if the speaker says something, then listener listen the speakers. So you is the second person, and we can say that it is the speaker, and its possessive will be your, and its objective will be you. Okay, this is the single subject, and we can use this subject as a singular subject and plural subject according to the sense of the sentence. Clear? Next is third person. In the third person you can see use he, she, it is the singular part of the third person, and they is the plural part of the third person. And if the subject is he, she, it, then its possessive will be he, will be his, she will be her, and it will be its. Okay, and if the subject is they in the third person, then its possessive will be there. Clear? And he is the subjective part, and its objective part will be him, and she, if the subjective part, then its objective part will be her, and if the it is the subjective part, and its opposite, it means objective part also will be it, and if the subjective part of the third person they, then its objective will be they. Clear? So this is the personal pronoun, and I hope you all understand about the personal pronoun. Clear?